commonly used repair materials in our work, a lot of plastic parts need maintenance, and the maintenance methods for plastic parts are different from those for metal materials. Therefore, it is essential to grasp correct maintenance methods. Let us take a look at the types and characteristics of plastic materials, and let us grasp the materials and the use methods needed for repairing the plastic parts. Types of materials. The resin materials used on vehicles are generally divided into two types, namely thermoplastic resin and thermosetting resin. The recyclability of thermoplastic resin is high, and its application in vehicles is relatively wider than that of thermosetting resin material. Next, let us look at the characteristics of the two types of resins. Thermoplastic resin. The thermoplastic resin features post-heating softening, post-cooling curing, and post-heating softening in a circular way. The resin can be reportedly heated and cooled without any change in its properties. Thermosetting resin. The application of such a plastic on vehicle is less than that of thermoplastic resin. The former exists in the form of a fluid and will be cured once it is exposed to heat and set off a chemical reaction. After curing, it will no longer vary with temperature until it is burned or decomposed. The most significant feature of the material is thermal resistance. Identifying the types of plastic parts. The following three methods are available. 1. Check the backs of parts. 2. Tap the parts by hand. 3. Grind the parts using abrasive paper. Common defects concerning plastic parts. The most common defects after plastic spraying include cracking, blistering, and poor adhesion, and the causes lie in incomplete early stage cleaning, incorrect material selection, and poor substrate. Introduction to materials for plastic parts. Degreaser. Mild solvent type cleaning agent with perfect oil removing effect, suitable for use in operation. Unlikely dissolving the plastic surface by and large. When using it, wipe the panel using a wiping paper soaked with the degreaser, or spray the degreaser using a solvent spraying pot to dissolve the oil stains, silicone wax, and the like on the surface, and then wipe the surface of the panel using clean wiping paper. Inadequate degreaser may result in fish eyes and shedding. De-static cleaning agent. The de-static cleaning agent can effectively remove the static electricity from the surfaces of the plastic parts, such that the dust points caused by static absorption of dirt can be avoided. Suitable for outer plastic parts of vehicle body. Single component plastic primer. Special adhesion promoter for plastic substrate coating, capable of enhancing the adhesive force of the coating. The plastic primer is generally used for the first coating on the surface of plastics so as to enhance the adhesion between plastic surface and paint coating. After the pre-treatment is finished, spray a pass of plastic primer onto the surface of substrate without omission. The pass must not be sprayed too thick, otherwise the coating may flake off. Wait till the plastic primer is completely dried and spray a next pass of coating. Softening additive, capable of improving not only the compliance of plastic parts, but also the adhesive force and the durability, added to floating coat primer, two-component top coat and varnish as per different plastic material and compliance. Base coat requires no softening additive. Note: inadequate addition may result in poor flexibility and cracking may happen. Excessive addition may slow down the drying and result in defects such as water spots. Plastic putty. Two-component polyester putty, special for filling and repairing on plastic bumper parts. Plastic putty has a certain flexibility and perfect surface adhesion on plastic bumper bars.